Do you need the customs duties in the present day? Is it relevant when we already have so much of indirect taxes burdened on the common man? Is there a relevance of customs today when we want to open up our borders, when we want a lot of trade facilitation to happen? Then why all this? I mean, like, for that you don't need a machinery to do. So primarily my question is on, do we need customs duties? Do we need at place in the first instance? If so, why?
Sir, I think yes, the idea is for trade promotion and facilitation, but at the same time for government's revenue and to balance out the trade as well. So custom duties is required so that if something comes from a foreign item as an import, so duty is put on it, so to balance the exchange rate or the cost values to that, and further to boost the government's revenues.
Okay. And what do you have to say about this one nation, one tax?
Sir, I think it is a step in the right direction. As GST, I think it is a watershed tax reform of the decade. So it, on one hand, it has brought the uniformity so that there are no interstate differences of tax compliance. Also, sir, it has increased the tax compliance, the tax buoyancy, and simplicity through the use of technologies such as the GST and portal is there.